What does this and this have to do with today's video? Come back and I'll share. Hey, good morning, good morning. Welcome all you new folks and welcome back everybody to Loving It on Keto. How is everybody doing this morning? Harry and I are doing really good. We are doing in the month of September a protocol that is called Let's Break This Stall and Raise Our Ketones in September Challenge. Today is a break fast with food test. We're going to check our glucose at 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 2 hours after we eat our last bite. And we're going to try to end our meal at 4 p.m. And we are going to check our glucose and ketones fasting this morning. Yes, we are. And I will insert that right here, pre our test. Hello, everybody. We sat for an hour and have been watching the Queen's procession from Buckingham to Westminster this morning on Sky News. And now we are testing our morning glucose and ketones. Yes, we are.
Ow, but that really hurt. Look at
It's beautiful pomp and circumstance that they have done, the tributes and stuff that they do, you know? 70
you got
years.
it upside down.
70 years is a long time to reign.
0.4. Yep.
0.5,
Hang it in
0.4.
there. $97. Ow! That hurt. That one hurt. I think that one hit the bone.
Do you have? Which finger
I think it's because I got it on 9.
No, you don't. 110. I waited an hour too.
You are not in GKI ketosis.
You're right. You're 13.4 because you're not even in ketosis, but I think I know why.
Excuse me.
Smile. Answer it.
Yellow.
I am not in GKI ketosis either. 110 on the glucose and 0.8 or 5, pardon me, 12.2. So you guys will come back and we'll explain what we are going to be testing and why today. Yes, indeed we will. So I am testing the noodles. The only thing I'm going to put on mine is some butter and some salt. We know butter doesn't bother me. So that's what I'm doing with these because I don't want to have to eat icky noodles without butter. Oh, I may even put brown butter on mine. Yeah. Harry gets cough drops. I get noodles.
Idea, man.
That's right.
It's gonna make me really hungry from the smell.
That is right. Anyway, you guys.
2 hours.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, honey. You can have black coffee with your cough drops.
Oh, okay.
I get black coffee with
All right.
mine.
Oh, that just makes it all better.
Anyway, you guys, let's get this taste test started. Come back in the first segment when we make the noodles and I hand Harry his 2 cough drops and we get started. Okay, you guys, I am testing healthy noodles today. Here I am. I'm browning the butter. I've got a tablespoon of butter in my pan. Harry is testing Ricola sugar-free. Now, Harry usually takes these at night to go to bed in, and his blood sugar has been low every single day, right? Last night, he had one he was chewing on and finished, and his blood glucose spiked to 123. So he is going to test. Where are they?
In my pocket.
Okay, well, let me see them. How many? 3? Chew them all up. How many do you think you should have? 2.
I don't know.
Probably 2. Let's do 2.
Okay.
So when I get ready to eat this, you're going to eat your Ricola, and then we're going to set the timer 30 minutes after. And I'm only having a little bit of butter and salt with mine. Look, My butter is browned. Just enough to heat my noodles. Butter doesn't spike your glucose. I'm using pure salt, no pepper. Don't worry, you guys, this is super fine. Super fine.
I didn't even see that.
I cannot take Ricola, or I would do it with him because of the aspartame in it. I am highly allergic to the point of grand mal seizures, heart stops, quick breathing, the whole thing. I cannot have aspartame. The worst that would happen is I would get muscle ticking and then a seizure type of a syndrome, huh, Harry?
Yep.
So I cannot do that with him. Now, I have noticed I went up. No, I guess I went down. I went down to 1A 82.8, but I still want to test just the noodles just to make sure. Okay, you guys, Harry's gonna sit and have these. I am gonna sit and eat these. When we are done, we're gonna set the 30-minute timer. He's gonna chew these. Yes, he is. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Harry's doing cough drops. I'm doing, oh my gosh, those noodles in brown butter and salt.
I wish I could have had some. I could smell it.
Gosh, Harry was growling at me.
Oh, yeah.
He was growling at me, you guys.
Still am.
He's growling.
All I've had is 2 stupid cough drops.
Okay, well, let's get your cough drops going. You're the one who was chomping down on him last night.
Not last night. I didn't have any last night.
Yesterday. It was evening, honey. It was 9 o'clock. So,
Oh.
yes, you did.
Was
Yes,
it?
you did. Yes, it was.
Well, it
'cause
wasn't
we-
bedtime.
Hey, come on. Let's get going.
I don't go to bed till
Get
like...
going.
God dang it.
Gosh darn it.
I didn't say anything wrong.
92.
Here we go. The big reveal. 96, Wendy.
Okay, well, let's see.
What do you know? Well, then what the heck is sitting
Just
there
wait
for?
a minute. We're not done with it. 96?
Yeah. So it didn't really affect me.
Well, we don't know yet.
Look, I went down.
Okay, well, we both went down. I went down too. Okay, you guys, 30 minutes, starting now. Okay, you guys, this has been 1 hour after Harry ate his cough drops and I ate the noodles that were fabulous, by the way, in brown butter and salt. Ho, 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 yeah. I don't know, which way did I do it before?
I'm going to go over here somewhere. Trying to get in between the dots.
I know. Where did I go?
Oh,
Meanie chili beanie.
what a hurt.
It's when you go upside down.
Did you already put it in, or is this another
I got
one?
it. Yes, I did it all for you. I'm trying to help you, dear. Oh, you guys, I need to go get my toes done today. 71. Wow. 71.
100.
Okay, 71. 71. 100. You're just going back up into there. Okay, you guys, we have got our last 60 minutes, which will be the total 2 hour. Ready, set, go. We'll see you guys back in another hour. Okay, you guys, we're going to insert the last glucose and ketone reading at 2 hours after we finished. Okay, you guys, we are at the 2 hour mark. Yes, we are. Harry's cough drops, my delicious noodles in brown butter with salt. Oh my gosh, you guys, they were so good. Look at my little froggies. Aren't they cute? Got a little necklace too, but you can't see it. Love my little frogs. Green turquoise, green Nevada turquoise. Yes. Let's see, what finger did I get? Oh, I don't think I've done this one. This one doesn't look like it has a red mark. There we go. Little finger's great. Oh yeah, you did your little finger too, huh? Because it's perfect.
Is that you or me?
That's me. Hit the top of it.
What
There
are
you
you
go.
doing? Take it.
Ooh, 1.3. Wow. I'm amazed.
There it goes.
I guess my noodles are a win-win. Wow.
0.5.
I just want to double make sure those, and you're not going to be eating those when you are supposed to be fasting, young man.
Oh, this doesn't say there's a problem. 106. I went up again.
Huh. Well, I don't.
What does that mean?
77. Ooh! Wow! 3.2 GKI. You are in moderate level of GKI ketosis. So my healthy noodles are a win-win for me.
Don't even
that's
bother.
For sure.
It's not even a show.
I'm going to do it because that's part of the test.
See?
11.7 GKI. You are not in GKI ketosis, but you are in ketosis.
Well, that's because of the point.
You're just more sensitive than I think. You've got lower glucose overall than I, but I have higher ketones than you overall, is what we're showing as a pattern of that, so that you know. Okay, you guys, we'll come back and we'll share.
Ready to eat now?
In a minute, the Ricola sugar-free cough drops. And let me share the back ingredients with you guys, because my concern was, even though it has aspartame in it, it does have herbs in it. And I was wondering if that's what spiked Harry's glucose last night. That's why he did it. I cannot do these because it is sweetened with aspartame and I'm highly allergic. Cannot. So I did healthy noodles. These are the healthy noodles. We get them at Costco. Several of you have asked. These are the ingredients right here. If you cannot eat soy, you may not be able to eat this because it has soy fiber powder in it. We ate soy every day. As vegans and vegetarians, soy never bothered us. Now, so here's what happened today. I started the morning with a fasted glucose after 1 hour of just sitting, doing nothing but watch TV. We were watching the Queen go from Buckingham Palace in a state to Westminster. 110 with a 0.5. Then at 30 minutes after I ate, I was 92. Then I went down to 71. And at 2 hours, I'm at a 77 with a 1.3 ketone. This morning, my GKI was 12.2, and this afternoon it is 3.2. I think it's a win-win all the way across on the healthy noodles for Wendy. Harry, his fasting glucose was 97. We got up together. He was a 0.4. He did not have any cough drops last night to go to bed because we wanted to make sure that cleared out of his system. First 30-minute reading was 96. Second one was 100. Final was 106 with a 0.5. So his ketones came up from this morning. He went up just a little bit from this morning. He was 13.4 in GKI, not in ketosis, not in GKI ketosis. He ended at 11.7, not in GKI ketosis. What I am seeing is a trend. My trend is I wake up with higher glucose numbers than Harry does, but I also have higher ketones. I have been able to get into a GKI lower to moderate range more than Harry is in my first glucose and ketone fasted state. Harry is lower overall in his glucose, but he is also lower in his ketones. He averages at most 0.5. So his GKI has not been in GKI ketosis, I would say 80% of the time. So we still need to work on Harry and me. I want to bring my glucose down into the 80s in the morning. Harry needs to bring his ketones up in the morning and throughout the day. So we are working on it, but I'm starting to see a trend. And that's what I wanted to do by having the Let's Break the Stall and raise our ketones. Now, I am hoping to get a lot more information in the PhD Summit from Dr. Barry, picking people's brains, the people that are going to be there, listening to the stories and all of those things. That's going to help me tremendously, and I'm really excited about that. I've got little froggies on. Yes, I do. I have got to go get my toenails done today. Yes, see my little frogs? They're so cute. The only thing they didn't have with this
Good, because you're
earrings.
stabbing me with them.
Hey, stop that. Don't be mean to me. But, you guys, browned butter with those noodles and salt on them are amazing. Harry's like, can I have mine now? Yes, Harry, you can. Yes, you can, dear. But before I do that, I want to share what we had yesterday that we ate, and then I want to share what our weights are today. So let me get that real quick. Carb manager. Go to yesterday. Yesterday, come on over here. Yesterday, 1,501 calories, 17 total carbs, 63% protein, 127 fat. That was really a nice, there we go. Really nice. Now, we had an OMAD day. We had butter. We had Applewood smoked farmland thick sliced bacon. We had coffee with the cinnamon toast MCT oil, collagen. We had the comfort stroganoff dish. We had 1.5 servings of that. We added an additional to this, my recipe that I did, an additional 1 ounce of the Colby cheese on top. And that is what we had. Let me go see who's here, because Sally's being guarded at the door. Can you hear her? Ooh, she means business, man. She means business. I'll be right back. It was the mailman. Sally's such a good little guard dog, I'm telling you. She just means business. She gets her little tail all stiff and she's just going to town. Anyway, everything that you eat or drink the day before, sometimes 2 days prior, can have a direct effect on your weight. And I've got the weight. Harry didn't go to bed till what, 2?
About 2.
2 a.m. And we woke up together this morning. I went down 2/10. I am still in a stall. I have been playing Ring Around the Rosie in this number forever. I'm talking long, hard stall. Harry at least has gone down to the 175s, but now he's kind of in a stall in the 170s.
Yep.
Right around the 175. So, we're just going to continue on. We're going to try to raise our ketones up into the GKI level. And we are going to break our fast. And I need to go and get my toenails done. Yes, indeed, I do. That's why I have more casual outfit on today, because though I'm going to go to pink, I think. I'm going to go pink. Yeah. Toenails need to be cut, but I'm going to go pink. So, here, Harry, I'm going to make this for you.
Finally.
He's like, man, that smells good. Is that good? Is that really good? He's like, he's got his whole face where I'm trying to eat. I'm like, yes, it's delicious.
Well, I'm sucking on 2 cough drops.
You're the one who chewed the cough drop when you were supposed to be fasting. It's your fault. You had to just have cough drops for breakfast.
Well, it wasn't that.
So it wasn't that, and that's a good thing. Anyway, you guys come back when we break our fast. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter in here for Harry. We're going to brown it, and he's going to get exactly what I had. He gets the second half of the pouch. He gets a serving. Yeah, because you guys, these noodles with brown butter and salt are amazing. I'm going to start making cauliflower rice in brown butter. Any broccoli, it's getting brown butter. From now on, it's brown butter all the way, because I'm telling you, it adds flavor. Maybe I'll make some brown butter buttermilk bread.
Oh,
like version 2.0, and do the butter in it, the live butter instead. Yeah. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. That'd be. Oh, and then you could have it while I'm gone.
That's right.
So I have to meal prep tomorrow.
That's right.
I think I'll do that tomorrow. Sounds delicious. Now we're browning the butter. Yes, we are. Different stages. It's gonna turn. Wait for the smell, that fragrant.
Oh yeah, man.
Buttered popcorn, kettle corn. Once it hits and starts browning, then I'll put these in for you, Harry.
All right.
Because I'm telling you, brown butter is a game changer. I've always touted brown butter and eggs.
Oh yeah, that's all.
Brown your butter. Brown your butter. Never in a million years did I think brown butter and make candy out of it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Put it in cakes. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put it in bread. Oh yeah. I am. Here we go. There it is.
See the brown in there?
This is just so Harry doesn't feel left out. Get this noodle.
I don't want FOMO.
You know what would be really good in this noodle? Yeah. Want me to put an egg in there?
Oh yeah, put an egg in there. That's a great idea.
Kind of like an Asian dish. Eggs in a basket kind of thing.
Mm-hmm. Eggs in a nest.
Yeah. Excuse me, cat. We'll come back. And Harry's got breakfast. Yes, indeed. Now I feel deprived. I didn't get any eggs.
Bummer.
Guess I'll have to make some in brown butter.
No.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. That looks delicious.
Steamed up the lids.
That looks delicious.
Look at that, man. Looks like a little...
Eggs in a nest.
Yeah. Look what the brown butter did.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, this is going to be good.
Guys, this is going to be delicious. Eggs in a nest.
Oh, cool, huh? Ooh, 4 pieces of bacon.
And eggs in a nest, you guys. Look at his nest. Isn't that cool? Here, show that. Eggs in a nest, you guys. With bacon, of course.
She heard bacon.
I know. Anyway, you guys, Harry's got to eat. I got to make myself 2 eggs and have some bacon to catch up with Harry. So we'll see you guys in the next segment. Yes, indeed.
I like that. When do I get to eat it? Now?
Right now, as soon as you turn off the camera.
Okay.
Oh, you guys, I just got through from getting a pedicure. I'll insert. I took pictures of my own toes being done right here.
Vô tiền cô phải vô lại.
And look at them, they're beautiful.
How'd they turn out? Oh yeah, that's my favorite color on you, you know. It's pink.
Beautiful foot. Yes,
Yep,
indeed.
it turned out really well, man.
You love pink.
Yeah, I'm a pink guy.
There you go.
I like her in pink.
Pretty in pink, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so come on over here. We're having cross tip rib steaks. Not all of these, but I've got to cook them all. Yes, I am. And then we're gonna dip them in a delicious butter and mayo sauce with Chef's Blend seasoning. Ooh, yeah. Where's my tongs?
They're in a dishwasher.
Oh, I guess I'll have to stab it.
Well, you want me to get them? I can get them.
Nah, I'll stab them. That's fine. I didn't put this in right. This is not in right. How did I manage that? It's hot.
Oh, you gotta put it flat down.
No, I did not. Well, guess what? Now I made it
Here,
worse.
I'll do
You're
it.
gonna have to. No, you can't, because you know why?
Because I can. Because I know how.
No, because it's hot. I've been heating it. Let me get a hot pad.
No, just get some tongs.
My tongs are in the dishwasher.
Well, I can take them out.
There, just do this. This is fine. There. Now it's perfect. Perfectamente, senor. Ah, yeah. Hear that sizzle.
Yeah, I like that.
We're having steak and cake, you guys.
Steak and cake.
I'm excited.
My kind of day.
I'm putting garlic on my steak.
What kind of garlic are you using, Wendy?
California granulated garlic, yes indeed.
And you get that from?
Costco!
Yep, I know.
I am
Costco's a great place
I am
to go.
putting Chef's Blend on these steaks, and they're not cooking very long because they are very thin.
Yeah, I don't like mine really overly cooked.
I like medium rare.
I do like the
on
edges
rare,
and the fat
on
to
the
be
rare side.
crispy.
Yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit of chipotle
Hey, I got a
into
question.
mayo and brown butter. What?
Where's the cake at in there?
I have it sitting out.
Oh, okay.
Let me get a fork.
Because I know everybody's gonna go, where's the cake?
We're having cake after we have the steak.
Oh, you
Now,
scared me for a
I
minute.
put, you guys didn't see it because Harry forgot to push record, and I noticed there was no red light. So I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic on the brown butter. I'm gonna put a little bit of Chef's Blend. Yes, you can get these now. For those of you who have just tuned in, go down in the description below, get a 15% discount code, and go run, don't walk, and get not one, not two, but all three flavors while they have them. Cherry, hickory, Chef's Blend, yes indeed.
Yeah, if you guys like to barbecue,
Oh, yeah.
or you know anybody who likes to barbecue and they got a birthday or something coming up, there you go.
It's turning in almost barbecue season here. We barbecue in the wintertime where we can actually stand outside and
you
enjoy
can.
the barbecue.
You why stand in a furnace and light a furnace too in front of you? You can't do it. It's too much.
So
Best thing to do is to stand by the open sliding door.
Okay, so here, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I've got some chipotle, just a dribble because it's very spicy. This is Boar's Head Fiery Chipotle Gourmet.
It's so good.
It's so good. So I'm mixing this, you guys, right in with my brown butter. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's see how that looks. Just imagine.
You don't have to imagine.
I don't.
You get to be here. I know. Smell-o-vision, smell-o-vision. Telling you, I'm going to start using brown butter for everything. No, they have to brown it first. Okay, let's taste this.
Wait a minute. Well,
Yes.
do I get a taste or not?
It needs a teeny weeny bit.
Oh.
Oh, nope, there went the kick. Nope. Maybe. You know, this chipotle gives a kick on the back end. We don't have any horseradish, and we love horseradish, and we don't
Yeah,
have
man.
any horseradish mustard either, Harry.
I know.
I looked at my pantry just to think I overlooked something. I didn't. I'm gonna go shopping. Gotta go shopping tomorrow, and we're gonna be cooking Harry all kinds of good stuff tomorrow because I'm leaving. I'm leaving on a jet plane. But I'll be back. Yes, brown butter. I'm saying it. I'm just saying it. I will say brown butter from now till the end of time. It's the way to go. Yes, it is. It's not ready yet. Okay, you guys, come back when it's steak and then cake. Yes, indeed. Gotta put all my stuff away and wait for the steak to be done. I think it's pretty ready. These are so thin. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get your plate. Let me get my plate.
Look at that.
Let me put this in. And no, it's because I'm going past all this other stuff. Okay, you guys. Steak and chipotle aioli. Yes, indeed. We've got to let this rest for 5 minutes.